How to set up Aris modem with Xfinity 2025. Setting up your own modem can save you money every month, but most people get stuck during activation. Here's the exact way to set up an Aris modem with Xfinity in 2025 without frustration. First, make sure your Aris modem is approved for Xfinity service. Xfinity requires compatible models, and using the wrong one is the #1 setup failure. Next, disconnect your old modem and connect the coaxial cable to your Aris modem. Plug in the power cable and wait for the lights to stabilize. This can take up to 5 minutes. Now connect your modem to a computer or router using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and you should be redirected automatically to the Xfinity activation page. If that page doesn't appear, visit Xfinity's activation site manually and sign in with your Xfinity ID. Follow the on-screen steps to activate the modem. You'll be asked to confirm the modem's serial number or MAC address, which is printed on the device label. Here's what most people miss. During activation, don't unplug the modem even if it seems stuck. Process can take several minutes. Once activation is complete, your modem will reboot automatically. When the online light turns solid, you're connected. Test your internet speed to confirm everything is working properly. The surprising truth is that Aris modems are extremely reliable once activated, and using your own modem can save up to $15 per month. In 2025, setting up an Aris modem with Xfinity is quick when you follow the right order. Subscribe for more internet setup guides that actually work.